So here's a vise I got a little while ago. It's a Skinner, it's old. I didn't ever really find out a date on it. This handle was given to me by a buddy because it came with actually a ratchet. It works really well. I did pull it a little bit apart, cleaned it out a bit, but runs nice. It's 6-inch jaws. Overall dimension is 22 inches. And the widest part is 9 inches. She's a heavy bugger, and I'm going to see how much it actually weighs. So let's get this thing set up here. Get it started. And put her on. It's reading 72 pounds. So I thought it was around 75, and I was pretty close. So 72 pound Skinner Vise, vintage, machinist Vise. Let's see if I can get that for you. Skinner. It's a nice vise, but I don't have a mill big enough for this, and it's actually so big I don't know if I want to use it as a bench vise. I do break it out once in a while if I really need to crank on something. Thanks for watching.